Yo, you might be wondering how the heck YouTubers are adding these little hashtags under their videos. The answer is simple, and I'm gonna show you how to do it yourself in 2 minutes or less. Before we dive in, if you're a business owner, make sure you go watch my free class on how to grow your business with Instagram and YouTube, and let's get into it. When you add hashtags to your videos on YouTube, you increase the chance of your videos getting more views. It gives YouTube another way to categorize your content, which is always good. And it shows your viewers some of the big ideas or topics that this video falls under. Here's the deal. All you're going to do to get these hashtags to appear on your videos is to include the hashtags in your video description. So when you're uploading your video, you always want to add in a description to help your videos rank in search. Always. Here's the spot in my description where I like to add my hashtags. I put them below all the information that has to do with that individual video and above where my auto description populates. But you can really choose wherever you want the hashtags to appear in your description. As long as you include them, they will appear under your video. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and smash those like and subscribe buttons and drop your YouTube questions below. I want to make sure I am creating content that you care about, and your feedback means everything to me. I'll catch you in the next video, my friend.